Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video because today we're showcasing 25 genuine woodworking tools that experts actually haven't seen yet in 2026. From innovative precision measuring tools to time-saving cutting, sanding, and joinery solutions, these game-changing inventions are built to improve accuracy, efficiency, and craftsmanship. Stay until the end to discover the latest woodworking tools that could completely transform your workshop. Miter Trimmer. The Infinity Tools. Precision. Miter Trimmer is a premium hand tool built for creating flawless, gap-free miter joints with exceptional accuracy. Its 38-pound cast iron body ensures rock-solid stability, while dual high-carbon steel blades deliver smooth, tear-out-free cuts with a precise shearing action. Adjustable fences with positive 45 degrees and 90 degrees stops provide fast, repeatable setups. Ideal for picture framing, trim carpentry, cabinets, and fine furniture, it trims away tiny amounts of material for perfect glue-ready joints every time. Straight Edge Tool. The Woodpeckers SERX Precision. Straight Edge Tool is a premium aluminum layout and calibration tool designed for precision woodworking. Its freestanding V-groove base stands upright on machine tables, leaving both hands free for accurate adjustments. Precision machined with a straightness tolerance of 0.0015 inches per foot, it features laser-engraved measurement markings, a high-visibility reference strip, and an anti-parallax bevel for precise layouts. Ideal for aligning table saws, jointers, router tables, and checking perfectly flat coplanar surfaces. Cordless Jigsaw. The Wooders 20-volt brushless cordless jigsaw, BLJS120, is a versatile power tool built for smooth, accurate cutting in wood, metal, and DIY projects. Its brushless motor delivers up to 3,200 strokes per minute, with a 25mm stroke length for fast, efficient performance. The 4-stage orbital action adapts to different materials, while the tool-free 45-degree bevel adjustment and keyless blade clamp ensure quick setup. An LED work light, dust port, and safety lock provide improved visibility, cleaner cuts, and enhanced user safety. Carving tools. The Hautmec wood carving tools are an affordable choice for beginners, hobbyists, and DIY woodworkers looking to explore carving projects. Made from durable chrome vanadium steel, the tools offer good edge retention and corrosion resistance. Ergonomic PP and TPR handles provide a secure, comfortable grip, while metal strike caps allow light mallet use. The 12-piece set includes essential chisels, gouges, and V-tools for relief carving, whittling, and detail work. Regular honing and stropping help maintain sharp, clean cutting performance. Square System. The Woodpecker's Indexable Square System is a precision woodworking layout tool that modernizes the classic combination square with interchangeable blades and modular heads. Its aircraft-grade aluminum construction and laser-engraved stainless steel blades ensure exceptional accuracy and durability. The spring-loaded indexing mechanism locks precisely at every inch for fast, repeatable measurements, while built-in scribing guides simplify marking. Ideal for layout, machine setup, angle measurement, and center finding, this versatile system delivers unmatched precision for professional woodworkers and serious enthusiasts. Folding Workbench. The Auto Dynasty Adjustable. Folding Workbench is a lightweight, portable workstation ideal for DIY projects, woodworking, and home repairs. Built with a sturdy alloy steel frame, it supports up to 220 pounds while weighing only 10 pounds for easy transport. Its dual-crank split-top vise securely clamps irregular workpieces using adjustable bench dogs. The tabletop includes built-in ruler and protractor markings for quick measurements, while the folding frame and anti-slip rubber feet provide convenient storage, stability, and reliable performance in any workspace. Tapering Jig. The Microjig Grr-Ripper Microdial. Tapering Jig TJ5000 is a precision woodworking jig that creates accurate, repeatable tapers on table saws, router tables, and bandsaws. Its microdial system adjusts angles from 0 degrees to 10 degrees in 1/8 degree increments, with 122 positive index stops for quick setups. Dual memory locks save 2 angle settings, while the jig also functions as a straight-line jointing sled. Compatible with Grr-Ripper push blocks, it enhances safety, control, and cutting accuracy for furniture-making projects. Edge Rule. The Woodpecker's stainless steel Edge Rule is a precision layout tool designed to wrap perfectly around board corners for fast, accurate marking. Its 90-degree stainless steel design eliminates parallax errors by displaying measurements on both the face and edge simultaneously. Laser-engraved scales, an inner relief groove, and optional brass registration knobs ensure reliable, repeatable layouts. Available in multiple imperial and metric sizes, this durable rule is ideal for cabinetry, joinery, furniture making, and precise woodworking measurements. DEXTER Multi-Sander. The DEXTER Multi-Sander is a compact and budget-friendly tool designed for DIY woodworking, sanding, polishing, and finishing tasks. Powered by a 220-watt motor with a fixed 13,000 revolutions per minute speed, it features interchangeable rectangular and triangular sanding pads for both flat surfaces and tight corners. Its hook and loop system allows quick sandpaper changes, while the dust collection bag and vacuum adapter help keep workspaces clean. Lightweight and versatile, this multi-sander is ideal for home workshops and everyday woodworking projects. Wolfcraft One-Hand Clamp. The Wolfcraft One-Hand Clamp is a smart, German-engineered woodworking tool designed for fast and effortless clamping with a single hand. Popular EHZ Pro models deliver up to 120 kilograms of clamping force, while the compact EHZ Mini is perfect for small projects and tight spaces. Its quick release trigger, tool-free spreader conversion, and protective rubber pads make it ideal for furniture assembly, glue-ups, and precision woodworking. Built with a hardened steel rail, these clamps provide strong, reliable performance for both DIYers and professionals. Kreg 5-inch Random Orbit Sander. The Kreg 20-volt ionic drive 5-inch random orbit sander is a powerful cordless finishing tool built for smooth, swirl-free sanding on woodworking projects. Featuring a high-efficiency brushless motor and variable speeds from 6,000 to 12,000 OPM, it delivers fast material removal with excellent surface control. Its ergonomic dual grip design, vibration reduction system, and soft start technology improve comfort and precision during long jobs. The 5-inch hook and loop pad supports efficient dust extraction, making it ideal for cabinetry, furniture building, and professional DIY workshop tasks. The ONECUT wood tool is an innovative crown molding and angle measuring system designed to simplify complex woodworking cuts. This patented tool accurately measures wall corners and automatically creates the perfect cutting angle for miter saws without complicated math or guesswork. It helps woodworkers achieve tight, gap-free joints while reducing wasted materials and setup time. Ideal for crown molding, baseboards, and trim work, the ONECUT tool improves precision, saves effort, and makes professional quality installations easier for both beginners and experienced carpenters. The MulWark Pocket Hole Jig Kit is a budget-friendly woodworking tool designed for fast, strong, and hidden screw joinery. Built with reinforced nylon and hardened steel drill guides, it delivers accurate 15-degree pocket holes for clean woodworking projects. The kit features adjustable thickness settings, magnetic clamp support, reversible edge alignment, and durable metal thread inserts for long-term reliability. Packed in a sturdy storage case, it also includes drill bits, driver bits, starter screws, and wood plugs, making it a complete starter solution for DIY woodworking enthusiasts. The Merchant QUUREN Woodworking Compass is a precision marking and scribing tool designed for accurate circle layouts, woodworking, and leather crafting. Built from durable CNC machined aluminum alloy, it features a rigid linear beam design that prevents flexing for consistent accuracy. Its laser engraved metric and imperial scales allow quick radius adjustments up to 16 inches. The lockable sliding mechanism ensures repeatable cuts, while the universal holder supports pencils, pens, and scribes. Popular among carpenters and DIY makers, it typically sells online for $20 to $30. The Triton belt sander lineup is built for powerful material removal, smooth finishes, and versatile workshop performance. Its innovative invertible handheld design allows users to convert portable sanders into stationary bench-mounted machines within seconds. Featuring strong 1,200-watt motors, variable speed control, magnesium alloy housings, and advanced dust extraction, Triton sanders deliver professional-level results. Compact palm models handle tight spaces with ease, while hybrid spindle and belt sanders provide precise contour shaping, edge sanding, and efficient woodworking performance for demanding DIY and professional projects. Griplock Spring Clamp. The TOLESA Heavy Duty. Spring clamps are built from reinforced nylon, delivering exceptional grip for woodworking, photography, and DIY tasks. With clamping ONECUT ranging from 15 to 37 pounds, they outperform standard plastic clamps. A tempered steel spring ensures consistent pressure, while ergonomic TPR-coated handles reduce hand fatigue. Self-adjusting jaw pads protect surfaces and improve grip on uneven materials. Their wide opening and deep throat design make them versatile for securing wood, backdrops, tarps, and various household projects with reliability. Multi-Tool. The DEWALT Oscillating Multi-Tool lineup delivers power, precision, and versatility for pros and DIY ears alike. The popular DCS356 stands out with a brushless motor, 3-speed selector, and variable trigger for ultimate control. Models like DCS354 and DCS355 offer compact performance, while the corded DWE315 ensures non-stop power. With a quick change system, LED light, and universal accessory compatibility, these tools handle cutting, sanding, scraping, and grout removal with ease.
Pipe clamp fixture. The FLK Tech 4 Pack Wood Gluing. Pipe clamp fixture is a robust set of cast iron clamps ideal for woodworking and metalworking projects. Designed to slide onto standard threaded pipes, they allow adjustable clamping lengths for frame assembly, cabinetry, and other tasks. Featuring large clutch plates for strong yet smooth grip, wide base feet for stability, and ergonomic hand crank handles to reduce fatigue. These clamps also include black oxide coated spindles for rust resistance and long-lasting durability. Pipes sold separately. Roller stand. The trend. Roller stand, especially the R/stand/A model by Trend Tool, acts as an extra set of hands in the workshop. It supports long or heavy materials during cutting, ripping, or planing tasks. A smooth ball-bearing roller ensures effortless feeding, while adjustable height allows perfect alignment with machines. Its spring-buffered design prevents drift, improving accuracy. Built from durable steel with a stable base, it enhances safety by reducing strain and keeping workpieces steady. Mobile base. The BORA PM 1050. Versatile mobile base is a smart solution for moving heavy workshop machines with ease. Its adjustable frame fits a wide range of tool sizes, making it highly versatile for compact spaces. The low-profile design maintains comfortable working height, while foot-operated levers allow quick mobility. Durable steel construction ensures long-term reliability, and smooth rolling wheels provide effortless movement. With a 400-pound capacity, it's ideal for optimizing shop layout and improving workflow efficiency. Screwdriver set. The SERX 42-in-1 magnetic screwdriver set NO-840135 is a versatile toolkit ideal for home repairs, electronics, and furniture assembly. It features a ratcheting T-handle with forward, reverse, and lock modes for efficient use. Magnetic bit retention keeps screws secure, while durable S2 alloy steel bits ensure long-lasting performance. The set includes 40 bits in various sizes, neatly stored in a compact ABS case. A 66-in-1 version adds precision bits and flexible accessories for advanced tasks. Mini table saw. The Mimith. Mini table saw is a compact, versatile tool designed for precision crafting and small-scale woodworking projects. Ideal for hobbyists, it easily cuts materials like thin wood, acrylic, PCB boards, and soft metals. With adjustable blade height up to 15 mm and variable speeds from 4,200 to 8,500 revolutions per minute, it offers excellent control. Its 3-in-1 design supports cutting, drilling, and engraving, while safety guards and dust collection ensure a clean, secure working environment for detailed DIY tasks. Reciprocating saw. The SKIL 13 amp-corded reciprocating saw SPT 44A-00 is a heavy-duty demolition tool designed for professionals and DIY ERs tackling tough materials. Its patented buzzkill vibration reduction technology cuts user fatigue by up to 35%, while the 13-amp motor delivers high torque for wood, metal, and pipe. With variable speed control, a single wobble drivetrain, and a toolless blade clamp, it offers precision, durability, and quick blade changes. Weighing just 9 pounds, it's perfect for demolition, remodeling, and landscaping tasks. Brad Naylor Kit. The Bosch GNH-18V. Brad Naylor Kit GNH-18V-18MB12 is a cordless, brushless tool built for finish and decorative woodworking, offering pneumatic-like performance without a compressor. Its brushless motor drives 18-gauge brads from 5/8 of an inch to 2 1/8 of an inch, while the digital HMI allows switching between single-shot and bump-fire modes, controlling LEDs and receiving service alerts. Features like dry-fire lockout, stepless depth adjustment, tool-free jam clearing, and double LED lights ensure precision, safety, and ease of use. With up to 2,000 nails per charge using a Core 18-volt 4.0 ampere-hour battery. stock guides. JESIM stock guides, especially the Clear Cut series, are precision hold-down systems designed to replace multiple featherboards. Their spring-loaded arms apply dual pressure, keeping workpieces against the table and fence for safer, cleaner cuts. Angled rollers steer stock forward while one-way bearings prevent kickback. Grip-force urethane tyres hold material without damage. Quick adjust knobs allow fast setup. Models include Clear Cut TS for cabinet saws, STS for job site saws, Clear Cut Router for router tables, and Flex for versatile use on compact or contractor saws. Saw blade. EZARC saw blades are engineered for high performance in both reciprocating and oscillating tools. Their wood and pruning blades use aggressive Japanese tooth profiles and a curved arc edge design for faster, smoother cuts, crafted from durable chrome vanadium steel. Metal and demolition blades feature tungsten carbide or M42 bimetal for extreme longevity and heat resistance. All blades use a 1/2 inch universal shank compatible with major brands. Oscillating blades include obsidian carbide coatings and precision depth gauges for versatile, accurate cutting. Drawer Slide Jig. The Violet Fox Drawer. Slide Jig is a must-have tool for precise cabinet work. Its upgraded toggle clamp with rubber headlocks slides without damaging cabinets. Connector pieces allow multiple jigs to extend for taller cabinets. Magnetic support arms hold long slides securely, freeing your hands for exact alignment. Compatible with all standard slide types and cabinet materials, it ensures repeatable, accurate installations. Built from durable stainless steel and impact-resistant plastic, this lightweight jig boosts efficiency for both DIY ERs and professional woodworkers.